The chef's special. Here is a recipe for a creamy potato and zucchini soup. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter, 1 medium yellow onion, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 medium potatoes, like russet or Yukon Gold, peeled and cubed, 3 medium zucchini or courgettes, roughly chopped 4 cups, chicken or vegetable stock 1-2 tsp, dried basil or thyme, or a mix. Salt and pepper to taste, optional for extra creaminess. 1/4 cup of cream, milk, or a knob of butter stirred in at the end. Instructions: sauté the base. Heat the olive oil or butter in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until soft and translucent, about 5 minutes. Add aromatics. Stir in the garlic and cook for just about 1 minute until fragrant. Don't let it burn. Simmer the veggies. Add the cubed potatoes, chopped zucchini, stock, and your dried herbs. Bring the mixture to a boil. Cook to tenderness. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer, cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the potatoes are completely fork tender. This is crucial for a smooth blend. Blend. Remove the pot from the heat. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup right in the pot until it's silky smooth. If you don't have one, carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender, venting the lid for steam, and blend in batches. Finish and season. Stir in any optional cream, milk, butter, if using. Season generously with salt and pepper to taste.